thing we'll look at is power, okay? And the power in physics, well, just in everyday sort of use, it gets abused a bit, and you can see it in terms of like it's sort of thought of as synonymous with strength, but in fact it's not. Strength would involve like how much force you could exert, or the maximum force you could lift, like how strong you are and how much strength you can push, how much you can bench press, something like that. But powerful is actually the rate at which you could do work, okay? So like a 500 watt bulb is able to do 500 joules of work per second. So it gets it thrown around. So power is actually the rate that work is done. So powerful is not the same as strong. So power, which is P, is equal to the work done over, I'll just say work done over time, delta T. And work is also a change in energy, so delta E would work there as well. And we could see that the units of this would be a joule over second. What's a joule over second? Well, it's a watt. A joule over second is also a watt. Okay, W-A-T-T, or sometimes capital double W is used. Now we could also look at the power definition of work over delta T, and we can remember that work is force times delta S, right? But delta S over delta T is average velocity, so another way to get power is multiply the force over the average velocity in movement. Okay. Okay, in an example, what is the wattage of the typical American that consumes 10 megajoules of energy per day? Well, we did earlier, we saw that the 2,500 big C calories is equivalent to 10 million joules, or 10 megajoules. So power is work over the time. So our work is given to us. It's 10 times 10 to the 6 joules of energy. And the time is 1 day per day. So a day, or we know in 1 day, if you remember how to do conversions, is 24 hours. In 1 hour, there's 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, 60 seconds. Okay, so this equals 24 times 60 times 60, or 86,400 seconds. So let's see how many watts the typical American is giving us each day. 10 times 10 to the 6 divided by 86,400, or about 116 watts. That's our power. And we'll do more examples in class.